Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the Apple Health function in the Sleep Cycle application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the settings section, click on the more button. And then at the personal section, click on the Apple Health button. And if you want to turn this on, just click on the on button. And if you want to enable all the functions, then just click on the allow button, and your Apple Health function is connected. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.